Our Magic of Materials project is on dental crowns. So what exactly is a crown? It is a cap that is placed on a broken tooth and it restores and repairs it, making it look nice and new again. It improves the size, shape, and strength of the tooth, bettering the patient's bite and repairs gaps of their mouth. Crowns have come a long way since the 18th century, where they were just an idea. At that point, the canon material for artificial teeth were human teeth, enamel teeth carved into human teeth, ivory, and porcelain teeth. In 1889, the first all-porcelain jacket crown was made by Charles H. Land to rebuild a missing tooth. In the 1950s, two different types of crowns were made, one being a porcelain-fused metal crown made by Abraham Weinstein, which created a bond between metal and porcelain to prevent stress cracks from forming. This crown had a loss of aesthetics. Another type of crown made at that point was die-core glass crowns, which lost the use of wax treatments, and it was controlled by glass crystallization. In the 1990s, the company Noble Care created a zirconium crown by milling a crown out of a zirconia dioxide block. This improved strength and aesthetics of the restoration of the crown. This process is most commonly used nowadays. Today's technology is called CAD/CAM. It's becoming more widely used by dentists because it creates accurate restorations and allows a lot of the original tooth structure to remain intact. It is efficient and can be done in one appointment procedure, and it can match the color of the smile. This is the procedure to the CAD/CAM. The tooth is first prepped, and then it is scanned in order to then create the crown on the computer. After it's created on the computer, the color for the tooth is now chosen, and it is milled out of the zirconia block. Then the tooth can be placed into the mouth and fully restored. These are some fun facts about crowns. They can last anywhere between 5 and 15 years and can cost between $800 and $1,700. In order to make a crown, some of the natural tooth might need to be removed so it can be properly fitted. Crowns can also save your tooth from being extracted, and those who often break their crowns or grind very hard and bite hard on their teeth can have gold crowns. Crowns are composed of zirconium dioxide, and it is fused with yttrium oxide. Yttrium oxide is used as a stabilizer for the crown at room temperature and allow it to transition from a monoclinic lattice to cubic. Once stability has occurred, the material is termed zirconium. Our main element of focus is zirconium. This here is a scanning electron microscope image of it. It can be found in everyday objects such as earrings, scissors and knives, different makeup products, antiperspirants, food packaging, microwave filters, and pottery glaze. Zirconium was first found in 1789 by the German chemist Martin Heinrich Klaproth. In the early 1800s, Sir Humphrey Davy, an English chemist, suggested the name zirconium. And then in 1824, Swedish chemist Jöns Jacob Berzelius isolated zirconium, and in 1914 it was prepared in its pure form. To prepare zirconium, it is first extracted from zircon sand and then refined through the processes of hydrolysis, drying, calcination, and milling, and to result in the final form, zirconia powder. Zirconium plays a major role in our society. It is a part of our heating system by being a key aspect of heat exchangers, steel alloys, pipes, and nuclear power systems. It's also found in medical advances by being used to treat poison ivy as well as surgical instruments. As you already know, zirconium is used in many everyday products. The biggest consumer is China, which takes up more than half of the consumption. Australia has the largest amount of reserves, and the company Alkane Resources, based out of Australia, is planning on opening a $1 billion zirconium reserve near Dubbo, Australia. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a lot about crowns and zirconium.